Here's a pair of BERIBES headphones, model number WH202A. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV. That's a Sony Smart TV that has Google TV via Bluetooth. First thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode. Okay. Now you look at the right ear cup here. We have three buttons here, but that top one, that round one, is the multifunction button, basically a power/Bluetooth button. That's the only button that we're going to use. Okay, so first, let me go ahead and turn these off. These are currently on. Let me press and hold that power button. And just hold it. Okay, it just said power off. Okay, now these are off. Now what I want to do is put these in a pairing mode. What I'm going to do this time is they're off, and now I'm going to press and hold that power button and keep holding until the LED here starts flashing blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, which indicates it is in pairing mode. We'll do it together. They're currently off. Power button, press and hold, ready, set, go. Keep on holding. Power on, keep holding. Now it's at pairing, and now it's blinking blue, red, blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go right to the TV, and we want to go to settings, okay? If you have this remote here, or if you have a settings, a gear icon, like this one right here, you can go to settings that way. If not, we can go to the home screen. Just click on the home button on your remote, and then we want to go to the gear icon on the top right hand side. Okay, so make sure you go all the way up and then move over to the right, keep going all the way over, and then this will open up. Make sure that the settings, the gear icon, is highlighted. Click on OK, and then from here on the left pane here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. So we're going to go down, right down there, remotes and accessories, click on OK. Make sure the Bluetooth is toggled on, and right below it, it says pair accessory. So we're going to go down one, and we're going to pair accessory. And now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. And these are in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red, blue, red. And there you go. It found it. WH202A. Make sure it's highlighted, and then we're going to click on OK. It says pairing. And I think we'll get a Bluetooth request here. There's a Bluetooth pairing request right here. Make sure pair's highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It just said switched audio. It just said, headphones just said it was connected as well. And there we go, and we're connected. And while you're connected, you should be able to increase and decrease the volume as well. As you can see right there, increase, or we can go ahead and decrease. So there you go, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had an issue where you couldn't pair, you had a pairing or connecting issue, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link in the description below.